Hi guys, welcome to Carrosserie Prisme. Today we're going to show you how to take off the handle on this Infiniti QX60. So first of all, we're going to open the door. You're going to see on the inner side of the door, you have a little rubber piece. You have to take that one off. And then you got a little bolt. It's a T90 Torx, T30 sorry. T30 Torx, you just take it out. And then on this outer side, as soon as you take it out, you can pull the little chrome part off. And then you slide the handle backwards and out. Easy and simple. That's it for this one. Meet you on the next one.